Before we can explore strategies for maintaining motivation, it is imperative to grasp the multifaceted nature of motivation itself. Motivation is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a complex interplay of psychological, emotional, and environmental factors. To gain mastery over this dynamic force, we must delve into these nuances. Motivation can take two primary forms: intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation is the inner fire that is fueled by personal satisfaction, passion, and a deep sense of purpose. It emanates from within and is sustained by the joy of the pursuit itself. Extrinsic motivation, on the other hand, is influenced by external rewards like money, fame, or praise. While both forms of motivation have their place, intrinsic motivation tends to be more sustainable and fulfilling in the long run. Motivation is the driving force that propels us towards our goals and aspirations, the engine behind our actions, and the spark that ignites our passions. It is the relentless determination that underlies our actions, the unwavering spirit that helps us overcome adversity, and the persistent energy that keeps us going even when the going gets tough. However, sustaining motivation can be a complex and demanding task, particularly in the face of obstacles, monotony, and the ebb and flow of life's challenges. In this extensive exploration, we will delve into the intricacies of motivation and offer an in-depth guide on how to maintain a consistent wellspring of inspiration in your life. The persistence phase is where the real work happens. Motivation can fluctuate during this phase, but this is when consistent effort and determination are required to achieve your goals. Many individuals experience a dip in motivation during this stage, which can be discouraging. Finally, the completion phase is the culmination of your efforts. When you successfully reach your goal, motivation often surges once again. It's a rewarding and satisfying phase, but it's important to have a plan for what comes next to prevent a motivation drop-off. Understanding the motivation cycle is crucial to effective motivation management. This cycle consists of three phases: initiation, persistence, and completion. Recognizing these phases can provide valuable insights into maintaining motivation. In the initiation phase, motivation is often at its peak. This is when the excitement and anticipation of a new goal or project are at their highest. However, this initial surge of motivation is often short-lived, making it essential to transition into the persistence phase.